Hey friends, welcome back to Garajavan. If you are new to Garajavan, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I am going to show you a very delicious fish curry, the Bangalorean Konkan way. In Konkani we call it as Pedveche Human or Talyanchi Human or the sardine curry. This curry provides the fusion of mild tanginess and spiciness. This delicious flavored curry is prepared using grated coconut paste infused with spices. This curry makes a wonderful combination with hot and steamy boiled rice. The curry tastes much better after 3 to 4 hours of preparation. Without any delay, let's begin. Here I have taken fresh sardines. To know how to clean a sardine, I have provided a video in the description box below. Firstly, let's prepare coconut masala paste. Here you need half coconut grated. Rest of the ingredients include coriander seeds, red chili, I have used 2 varieties, mustard seeds, black peppercorn, ajwain, jeera, methi seed and marble sized tamarind. You also need Szechuan pepper around 20 to 25 which adds to the flavor and half onion chopped. Szechuan pepper will be added at the end. Heat a little of coconut oil. Roast all the whole spices except for the teppal or the Szechuan pepper which we will be using at the end. While roasting, see that the flame is under low heat. We will be roasting it for few seconds, maybe around 30 to 45 seconds. Next, we will be also roasting the onion. Roast the onions until it turns transparent. I have cooled the roasted ingredients and transferred it to mixer jar. Now add the grated coconut. I have used medium sized coconut which is approximately 2 cups of grated coconut. Add the turmeric powder, tamarind, add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. Here is the coconut masala paste ready. Now let's make the curry. I have taken 1 medium sized onion finely chopped. Heat around 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Fry the onions until it is light brown in color. Here you see the onions have turned light brown in color. Now I'll be adding the coconut masala paste. Add water. See that you do not dilute the gravy. Add salt as per your requirement. Mix all well. Now let the gravy boil well. I am boiling the gravy from moderate to high heat. Here you can see the gravy is boiled well and the oil is floating on the surface. As the gravy gets boiled, I am going to roast the Szechuan pepper and I am going to powder it. I will be grinding it to a coarse powder. You can also powder it using pestle and mortar. Here you can see the Szechuan pepper powder ready. Drop it into the boiling gravy. Mix well. If the Szechuan pepper is a fresh stock, you can get the wonderful aroma of the boiling gravy. Now we will be adding the fish to the gravy. Dip the fish gently into the gravy. Let it get soaked. I have set the flame under high heat. Cook the fish for 1 to 2 minutes only. As you see it's getting boiled, close the lid and switch off the flame. Keep it aside 5 minutes before serving. Here is your delicious coastal Mangalorean Talyanchi Human ready. I am sure you're going to love making this recipe. Please do try this recipe and do let me know your views in the comment box. Thank you for watching Garajavan. Stay connected for more recipes. Happy cooking. Bye.